Day 23. Summer Science Experiments. DIY Volcano. Day 23 brings explosive fun to your backyard. Create your own erupting volcano, a spectacular science experiment that's as educational as it is exciting. Creating a DIY volcano is a fun and educational science experiment that allows families to explore chemical reactions in a hands-on way. This activity encourages curiosity and learning, making it a perfect addition to your summer fun lineup. Basic supplies: baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, dish soap, plastic bottle, small funnel, measuring spoons, large tray or baking sheet to contain the mess. Optional: sand, soil, or clay to build the volcano structure. Step 2. Construct the volcano. Prepare the base. Place the plastic bottle in the center of the tray or baking sheet. Secure the bottle with some sand, soil, or clay to keep it in place. Build the volcano structure. Use more sand, soil, or clay to build up around the bottle, shaping it into a volcano. Leave the top of the bottle open and clear for the eruption. Step 3. Create the eruption mixture. Prepare the ingredients. Measure out 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Add a few drops of red food coloring to 1 cup of vinegar. Add a small squirt of dish soap to the vinegar mixture. This will create more bubbles. Add the baking soda. Use a funnel to carefully add the baking soda to the bottle inside the volcano. Step 4. Erupt the volcano. Pour the vinegar mixture. Quickly but carefully pour the vinegar mixture into the bottle with the baking soda. Watch the eruption. Stand back and watch as your homemade volcano erupts with bubbly, colorful lava spilling over the sides. Step 5. Clean up and reflect. Clean the area. Once the eruption is over, clean up the tray or baking sheet and any surrounding areas. Discuss the science. Talk about the chemical reaction between the baking soda, a base, and the vinegar, an acid, which produces carbon dioxide gas and causes the eruption. Experiment further. Try experimenting with different amounts of baking soda and vinegar to see how it affects the size of the eruption. You can also try using different colors or adding glitter for a fun twist. Research real volcanoes. Learn about different types of volcanoes and famous eruptions in history. Discuss how real volcanoes work and the role they play in shaping the Earth's landscape. Document your experiment. Write about the experiment in a science journal. Include drawings, photos, and observations about what happened and why. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for Day 23 riddle. I bubble and fizz, but I'm not soda. What am I? Hint. You see this reaction when you mix baking soda and vinegar. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a vinegar and baking soda experiment. You got it! Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.